Hi guys, it's Jamila here from Slap. Today I'm going to be doing a video on the brand new-ish Natasha Denona Chromium eyeshadows. These are new liquid eyeshadows from Natasha Denona and they are trichrome. So you get kind of 3 different colours for the price of 1. I'm going to be trying it out for you guys today. So if you are intrigued by this video or you are intrigued by this launch, then please keep watching. If you haven't subscribed already guys, please subscribe. We would love to have you in the Slap family. And without further ado guys, here is the video. So guys, today I'm going to be trying out the brand new Natasha Denona Chromium eyeshadows. They are brand new from Natasha Denona. Not that brand new actually, they're kind of fairly new. I got the shade Infra Nude. Kind of look like the shadow that would go best with the rest of my collection. They came out in 5 shades. They actually look pretty cool when they're swatched, and there's some really nice shades in there that look a bit different and look a bit funky. They are called Infra Nude, Dragonfly, Dogbane, Scarab, and Ultraviolet. They are £26 and $28 US. This is the packaging here. It says Natasha Denona Chromium Liquid Eyeshadow, 2.5 mils, 0.08 fluid ounces. Gonna go in with the Chromium shadow in the shade Infra Nude. So far I'm really feeling this actually. I feel like it looks really bright and open. So guys, that is my finished look. I really like this shadow. I think it does exactly what I hoped it would do. So I'm really impressed with it. I really like the way it works with the kind of warmer, bronzy blusher situation I've got going on. I feel like it complements it really well. I feel like it looks good without mascara, and with mascara I feel like you could definitely wear it without for a bit more of a chill, minimal vibe. But I do think it looks really good and I really like the way it came off. I was a bit nervous that it was going to be a bit too light for my skin tone, but I feel like it complements it really nicely just because the pink is quite warm. Yeah, I feel like it looks really cool. I feel like it's a really fun eye look, and it's a really fun product to just buy and tap into that trend and not worry too much about it. I don't know if I would buy the palette. I feel like that's quite a big investment to make for a few shadows, but I feel like it's really fun trend nonetheless, and I feel like it looks really cool and flattering. So I'm really impressed with this shadow, and I'm really glad I got this one and didn't play it safe. So I'm really happy with this. I hope you guys like it. If you haven't subscribed already guys, please subscribe. We would love to have you in the Slap family. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.